Hello friends, in this video I show you how can you make passport size photo within a 5 minute using Cutout Pro site. Okay friends, let's see I show you. First you open Chrome browser and writing here Cutout Pro, and you see here have option passport photo maker. Click here and click here. Click here sign up, and here friends you writing your email ID, and downside have password, so choose here password, and next have confirm your password, so again writing password, and click here. After you check your email inside have a confirmation link. Just simply click that link and log in again Cutout Pro site. So friends, everything done ready. Now simply click here upload image, and you can choose any image and click here open. Image friends upload ready. Click here. Here you choose a picture background, so all color have here, any color you can choose. Then click here, and here have all dress, any dress you also can choose. So I choose this one. Then click here. Click here and choose here a file format, PNG or JPG. I choose here JPG, and here downside set image quality. Then click here. So friends, photo download ready. You see how easily I made a passport size photo. So friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.